So as an individual, I've engaged in the resources that are available to us. In Bundura, there's a national parks team, and we will collect them, and they will come out and seek the roosts that are situated in the area. Quelea birds will fly as far as 30, 40, 50 kilometers. So if we can find the roosts of where they stay, they control the birds from there. There are other products that are sold by companies like CropServe called Bird Shield, where you can spray onto your crop, and it's supposed to deter them through vision. They don't see the crop as food, they see it just as bush. And then other practices, we have employees walking around scaring the birds with vuvuzelas or simbis.